Today I've got to tackle something on the Ford Flex here that I'm not really looking forward to, but apparently it's a fairly common issue. This is our 2017 Ford Flex. No matter what we set this passenger side to, you can turn it right to low, it's blowing heat all the time. The driver's side works fine, but the passenger side always blowing heat. We're going to be changing out this actuator. I hope it's the right one. A McDonald's bag and some napkins, lots of napkins. Okay, nice. That guy up there, you can see here it's got the red tab. We lift and then push in a little tab here, and then we can pull it out. Definitely time for a new one of those. I'm not going to tell you to do this. What I've done, you can see with the harness all exposed here, I have removed a big chunk of this kind of cover that routes this harness. I've just kind of cut it off with a utility knife. If you do that, like, be careful. I mean, the best thing that can happen is you cut off your finger, because if you tag that wiring harness with that knife, that's probably going to be a world of hurt. And power. See no movement. Nothing. Everything's falling. Oh, it's moving. There it is, all in place. So now I'm going to secure the harness and basically button everything back up, put a new filter in, and carry on. Happy wife, happy life.